We all like to imagine how technology might change the world for good. The possibilities are endless, but the challenge for organizations with assets and services to manage is understanding how to be strategic about the adoption of these new technologies. How do they approach the digital transformation of their operations in such a way that minimizes risk and maximizes return on investment? The first thing they must understand is that their customers, including residents and service users, now expect to use digital technology in almost every aspect of their lives.
Digital transformation has an impact in both public and private sectors, and that really is the end result of the expectations that have changed in society. We all expect to have much more immediacy of our interaction with any organisation that we're dealing with. Whether you're a citizen that wants to go out shopping, or whether you're a business that's looking to drive efficiencies out of a supply chain relationship, having an answer immediately through a digital transformed channel, well, that makes sense for everybody, but most of all, it makes sense for the user of that process.
There is mounting pressure on all organisations who have assets and services that need managing to digitise their processes. However, this needn't be an unwelcome challenge, as digital transformation represents an enormous opportunity to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the services provided to end users.
Digital transformation is affecting the public sector as a mechanism to reduce costs. You only have to turn on the television nowadays and you can see the pressures on local governments to reduce expenditure. They've got less money, less people to invest in, but there's still huge expectations from the public in terms of what service they're expecting. The impact on the private sector is more about gaining competitive advantage. So it's utilising technology to improve service, to improve quality, to reduce service times while reducing costs and increasing profitability.
The opportunities that digital transformation represents to organisations is to have that closer relationship with their customers, their partners and their supply chain. To be a true partner who can give answers very quickly, that can save their customers time and money, can promote a feeling of well-being with their citizens, that the service in which they pay for is actually delivering not just to expectation, but vastly exceeding that. Digitally transformed businesses and organisations have a much greater chance of doing that than ones that fail to take that step.
The opportunities are endless. Once you connect and capture data at the coalface when people are actually doing their tasks, it's more accurate. It can't be lost in a paper trail. It can't be inaccurately keyed when it goes into an administration department. So your quality of data goes through the roof. The satisfaction from the people actually doing the job is that they know it's being recorded, they know it's being collected, they know it's going to be acted upon. So the whole loop gets better, but it's so important to get that message over to the guys doing the work.
The task of deciding on a digital transformation strategy, designing the information management system to support it, acquiring new software and technologies, and rolling out across your organisation can be daunting. When you make such a significant investment, you want to know it's going to go smoothly and that it's going to work.
What makes Yotta's approach to asset management unique is the way that the system's been designed. Fundamentally, the panacea has always been to have a system that is standard enough so you can use it across multiple departments and multiple areas. You get the benefits of scale from training because they're all looking at the same mobile device, the same application, the same system.
Yotta know data. With decades of experience structuring data capture systems, analysing data, and using it to drive operational efficiency, we are the ideal partner for any organisation with assets and services to manage that is undergoing the process of digital transformation. All of our knowledge and experience has been distilled into Alloy, a platform that embodies our data-driven approach to decision-making.
So I think we understand that really digital transformation is a journey. And so for organisations that want to future-proof their investments, they really need to harness technology that's got a flexible model there that can change as their business changes. They can also change the application and mould it to their needs. And it also matches their business process as they evolve. So as organisations go through this process of digital transformation, we're going to be seeing so much more data. In order to be able to make sense of that data, you really need a clean visualisation element and a great user experience, and that's what Alloy delivers. So what we're doing here at Yotta is really building an application that's future-proof. We're looking ahead in terms of the types of technologies that are out there, such as IoT, connecting out to different sensors, and building an application in Alloy that's able to harness all of the data that's available.
The biggest challenges facing our customers with digital transformation is about the scale of what they're trying to achieve. If you're trying to lower costs, you're doing it across normally multiple departments, potentially multiple locations, different types of staff, some very technical, some that will be doing quite a general job, but huge volumes. So to bring all of that together, you need to underpin it with a fundamental system that can handle all of it and to be able to connect it all together. Key advice I'd give to organisations who are starting out on the journey of connecting digital assets is really to plan out and understand what benefits you're expecting from the start. Why are you going onto the journey? A lot of our consultants spend time with customers building the business case, understanding the art of the possible, how far can we go with the technology. The danger is you've got a specific problem and you just solve it rather than stepping back and think, if we're going to do this, we can actually achieve a lot more.
Alloy securely connects your software programs and apps to your IoT connected assets and devices, creating a single solution for asset management, maintenance management, and environmental service delivery.
Digital transformation is at the very core of the DNA of our business. All of our products have been developed and architected to embrace that process, to ensure that the outcomes that the user, the organisation, the customers, the supply chain have are absolutely exemplary examples of what can be achieved through the process of digital transformation.
Yotta, from data to decisions.